You can receive notifications from Lasers straight to your email or phone. To view and adjust your notification settings, click your account icon in the top right. Then click Communication Preferences. Here you will see the email address and phone number your notifications will be sent to. Review the different categories listed for which you can receive notifications and hover over the information icon for a description of each category. The default notification method for each category is email. Use the checkboxes to change your selections for each category. Once your changes are complete, click the Save Changes button. You can also adjust your paperless settings on this page. Click the envelope icon at the top to view the Message Center. All notifications are also sent to your Message Center. Click on an item to expand the view and see the full details.